Alright, making some good progress on the bulkhead now. I've got the bulkhead cut out using the template. The cardboard prototype worked really well. If you do one of these projects, you definitely want a prototype with cardboard, because it pretty much went in like a glove. Had to do some minor trimming. Got marked out for the outlets, 110 on this side and also 110 on that side. And I've got the measurements pretty much set out for the frame extension, so that top of the bulkhead will be bolted to steel frame with some carriage bolts. It's going to be a good solution. And of course this piece here is going to be cut out when everything is done. I just want to keep it intact. I'm thinking about putting a window here. Just put a plexiglass window there, so that I'll be able to have visibility through the back of the Jeep at all times. And we can just close it with a curtain for privacy. So there's another view from this side, and that fits in like a glove, and very pleased with how it's coming together. Now on the other project, storage units coming along well. I'm going to have 2 of these deep cycle batteries. Right now I've got this thing plugged into a one of these trickle chargers, basically maintaining the battery. I've got some wiring run, so it's coming along nicely. And on this side I've got the switches, so I'll be able to control the lights, fan, power inverter, and then of course one spare for something else. But coming along well. This project's going to turn into a really nice project. This is going to be a great Overland Jeep, so I'm pretty excited. Well, the frame is welded, so this is ready to go. I've got added the extension at the back for the bulkhead, so that'll the bulkhead will bolt onto that. I also added some platform supports for the flip-up shelves, and one remaining thing is I got to weld on some bolts on either side, so that I can mount that with an L bracket or something to the seat belt bolt. I want to just have a bolt there so it'll be easier to manipulate and so forth. But anyway, it's coming along well. So the frame is pretty much done, and now got to finish the bulkhead and then get everything mounted and installed in the Jeep.